Hey, I'm gonna do a song called Birds. And my name is Jacinta Whitcome. Thanks for watching. I met a blackbird on barbed wire, and there was fire, red and golden on his wings. I could see his black eyes, notice our turmoil, yet there was stillness in his being. And I took a deep breath in as he let his breath breathe out, 'cause he knows flight will begin even in the airlessness of doubt. And he says, we're all gods, we're all kings, we'll have a small but true meaning. Well, just this breath, just the light of the sun, not caged by death or life, the one, the one, the one. In the river, down from the old, I met a bird of such quiet grace, and her silence held up a mirror, and in her wings she held all of time and space. And she sang, we're all gods, we're all kings, we'll have a small but true meaning. We are just this breath, whoa, just the light of the sun, not caged by death or life, the one, the one, the one. We're all gods, we're all kings, we'll have a small but true meaning. We are just this breath, just the light of the sun, not caged by death.